here. I know it's been a long time since I made a video, but I just want to come real quick up here and let you guys know that my daughter and I have started a skincare line. So, super excited about that. We already launched it. It's doing very well. And I will be coming up here giving like demonstrations of different products and how to use them. But we also have hair care products, which actually has been helping my locks tremendously. And this is our hair growth formula. And it is really, really good. And I'm not just saying that because it's a product that I actually formulated. I'm saying that because it actually works. Like my hair was kind of just staying at the same point and wasn't really growing. And then, you know, I've always had like thinner edges around my the circumference of my head. But since I've been spraying the oils on my hair, oh my goodness. And it's not just oils, it's a mixture of different things that's in it that's specifically designed to make the hair grow. But since I've been spraying it on my hair has been growing like crazy. Okay, so I just want to come up here and let you guys know that, you know, that we've officially launched our skincare and our hair care products. And that I will be coming up here giving you guys demonstrations of different things and how to use them and how to best benefit from the products. Have a great day.